Hey everyone! If you're using AutoCAD, you know the struggle of getting your drawings perfectly aligned. It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're working on complex designs that require absolute precision. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing trick. The Snap From option. This is one of those hidden gems that can save you loads of time and make your designs more precise. Let's dive right in. First off, what is Snap From? It's a super handy tool that allows you to snap to a precise location based on a reference point. Imagine you want an object to be 20 inches from another object. Easy, right? With Snap From, you can do that effortlessly. Alright, let's walk through it. Open up AutoCAD and make sure your object snap is turned on. You can do this by pressing F3. Now, let's move this object 20 inches to the left of the other object. First, select the Move command, then select the first object. Next, you want to specify the base point. I'm selecting the top right corner of this rectangle. Once you have done that, the next step is where it gets good. You want to hold down the Shift key and right-click with your mouse and select From on the drop-down menu. You now want to specify the second point. All that is left is to now enter the distance you would like the object offset from the second object. In our example, we said we wanted the objects 20 inches apart, so we enter 20, then just hit Enter and boom! Your object is located 20 inches from the second object exactly where you wanted it. Is that not awesome or what? But wait, of course, as with most AutoCAD commands, you can do a lot more with the Snap From option. You can use Snap From for all sorts of commands. For instance, you can move lines, draw circles, or even offset other types of objects using this feature. The possibilities are endless. Here's a pro tip. Combine Snap From with other snap options like midpoint or intersection. This way, you can achieve complex placements with ease. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, next time you're working on a project and need absolute precision, remember the Snap From option. It's your secret weapon for nailing those tricky placements. Give it a try and see how much smoother your workflow becomes. If you found this tip useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD secrets. Until next time, happy designing.